Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will be discussing about common tangent to two circles of equal radius. Suppose we have a circle here of some radius, and nearby this circle there is another circle of same radius, and we need to draw a common tangent to both these circles. So how can we draw a common tangent to these two circles? We will be discussing this in this drawing. So let us say the center of first circle is O1 and the center of this second circle is O2. So the distance between these two circles, centers of these two circles is O1, O2. Now it will have two tangents. The one is the external tangent and another is the internal tangent. Let us first draw the external tangent. So we will draw a perpendicular from the center of both the circles. Let us draw a perpendicular from the center of first circle. So when you are using a drafter, you can easily draw a perpendicular line like this. Where it meets the circle, let us name it as A, and similarly we draw a perpendicular line from the center of another circle and name it as, where it meets the circle, name it as B. Now join these 2 points A and B. This is a common external tangent to both the circles. Similarly, you can extend this line in the downward direction, and there again you can draw the common tangent in the downward direction. And now we have also to construct the internal common tangent to both the circles. So what we can do, just like the procedure told in earlier video of drawing drawing a tangent from an external point to a circle, we will bisect the line O1, O2. So to bisect the line O1, O2, we will have to take a distance greater than half of O1, O2 in the compass and mark an arc in upward and downward both the direction. And from O1 again we have to mark the arc O1 and O2 in both upward and downward direction. Where both these arcs cut each other, we will join them and get the center of this line, midpoint of this line. This is the perpendicular bisector, and where it cuts the line, this is known as the midpoint, as mark it as M. Complete procedure of drawing perpendicular bisector with explanation is also available in another video, which is available in the I button. Now we have to again draw a perpendicular bisector of O1M. So same procedure will be repeated. We will take a radius of greater than half of O1M and mark an arc in upward and downward direction, and then from O1 we will again mark an arc of in upward and downward direction. Where these two arcs cut each other, we will join them and get the midpoint. Say suppose this midpoint is P. Now taking an arc equal to O1P or PO1, we will keep the compass on P and pencil on O, and draw an arc to the circle. In this way. where it cuts the circle, name it as point C. And now taking a radius of cm, putting compass on M and pencil on C, we will draw a circle that will cut another circle at various points. And now mark this point where it cuts in the upper portion another circle and another portion as D. This point will be marked as D, and this point will be marked, suppose, as E, and this point can be marked as F. Wherever it cuts the circle, this circle which we have drawn with radius cm, wherever it cuts the circles, we will mark those points as E, D and F. And now we will join C and D. This is the first internal tangent passing through M. So this will be one tangent CD, and another tangent will be EF, that will again be passing through point M. So in this way we can construct both internal and external tangents. So AB is external tangent, AB is external tangent, and CD, EF are internal tangents. So in this way we can draw the tangents to the circle. For more practice questions, you can refer to the books. The reference books are, the description of reference book is available in the description. In the description of this video, the reference to the reference book has been provided. Link for reference book has been provided. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to the channel. More videos related to engineering drawing have been provided in the playlist of this channel. The link for the playlist of engineering graphics has been provided in the description box, and similarly the link for the reference book have also been provided.